morning from Bali. Joseph.
Welcome to Bali.
Today is our first time in Bali. It's not our first time in Indonesia. We've been to the island of Java, the big island, where we visited Yogyakarta, Bandung, and Jakarta. But today, for the first time, we are in the island of Bali. A lot of first-timers in Indonesia would usually pick Bali first, but I'm weird like that. So the first time we were here, it was in Java instead of Bali.